Well, you got a second one of these?
I've got a 12-pack. It's cheaper about a 12-pack.
Yeah, let me do that.
All right. Wow. That's King Arthur back here.
All right.
We'll put this in the back right next
Chinese 6-pack. No weight to it. There's no color.
All right.
It's pure explosion.
Cindy, you open it.
I'm gonna go find
Holy shit. What are all his boxes there?
I shot them off Wednesday night.
Oh.
I wouldn't stand too close to this.
Oh shit, well I'm not going to. Shit. That was good.
Nothing but noise.
That was good.
Let's go
That's about what you'll be shooting in that black box.
Do you know them?
Nope, I got a award to everybody.
Oh.
I'll set 2 or 3 of them boxes out there some night. Keith will come down and we'll set up 10, 12 launchers and screw them down the pad. And tell you one fuse, we light them all at one time.
Wow, that was good.
All right, then.
I don't think you guys should be smoking in the car.
No, we're gonna smoke now.
I won't hurt it. Don't let go of the mats that we got back here.
We got like 1,500 rounds in the car. We got all that.
I don't want to be out on these roads too late because people are going to be drunk and stupid out here pretty soon.
I'd say they would be.
Well, we're just lucky you were open.
I'm usually open.
She
I
was
live
hoping,
right there, so.
she was hoping you wouldn't be open. She kept saying they won't be open, they won't be open.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Cold down here.
It is colder here than it was in Chilhowie, that's for damn sure.
Oh, it's 59 here today.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You have a good New Year.
You too. I'll be asleep.
Thanks for the show.
Yeah.